Every time. What is going on? Me and Guy
Texting while driving.
We got the sponsored jacket.
Home Depot.
You already know whose jacket is that?
Tony Stewart.
Run, Sandy, run for your life!
Tony Stewart. We got Tony Stewart jacket on today. We're going rallying. No, today we're heading to the junkyard. We're picking up some stuff for Garrett's car. We need to pick up some hoses. We need to pick up some dash bolts and just some miscellaneous stuff that we need for the car. So we're on our way there right now. We'll see when we get there. First glance, we already got the works. 5's book. Oh yeah. With the FAF. Damn, bro. 5? Master 5?
That's the thought, yeah.
We got Tony Stewart here. We got our nice thing of tools here. You know, we got a little bit of everything in there because you don't really know what you need. We're just gonna send her. Just gonna have to send it. Welcome to the junkyard. Tony.
My front yanking my teeth out so I fit in here. Get a friendly discount.
Just walking to the yard. Me and Tony Stewart over here.
Everybody's grabbing my butt today, and I don't know what's going on.
So let's see what's going on. We're looking for some Subaru stuff. No sign of Subis yet, just some old guys doing what they do. We got some deals on some Steelies. Anyone looking for Steelies? Fucking pack of 2 for $50. So we got our list of where all the cars are, what aisles and rows. We just gotta find them. This was getting ready for the wide body prep, cutting off all the rust, putting on a big flare right here, make it look nice. Alright, so we found the Hawkeye. It's all trashed up.
Oh, well, that's nice.
But what we need is the dash bolts up top, up here. Probably gonna grab the lower coolant hose as well, if we can fucking get in there. We get it from the bottom, obviously. Alright, on to the next one. Row 5. Just what I was looking for. You're gonna cause some trouble today. Money. Let's go have some fun. Whoops. Every time. Yeah, we got 2, 3, 1, 2. Where's the third one? 3. Oh shit, 3. Okay, we gotta find something here. This is the jackpot. Let's go.
Automatic.
Automatic. They're all automatic, man. Ha! Gay! Automatic. That's how you can tell right here. That's where the master usually sits. Alright, so from this guy, we're grabbing the fuel lines up top because they look pretty good. The lower coolant hose on this guy has a hole in it like every other one that we've seen so far. We're just trying to find a manual Subaru so we can grab the master cylinder and the slave cylinder, but we haven't had any luck yet, so.
Nobody.
Anyone want a leftover candy cane? We got what we mostly needed. Reese's Cups, jokes. No, we came here for, like I said, some miscellaneous bolts. We picked up a bunch of that. They're all laying in there. We didn't end up paying for them, but whatever. And we got our lower rat hose, some fuel lines. We ended up finding a cargo net, so we're probably going to put that in the trunk, which is pretty clean.
Cargo net with the cover. Because my car came with the pull-out, and everyone wants that on part outs, but...
you, I'm not parting out my car. Pull over and it's gonna have the net to hold all the cargo in so it doesn't slide around it.
Blessed. Nice. There we go. So we got
Side
that.
pouch. With the side pouch.
And all of this with all those bolts was $4.
$4. And I only paid $4 to get it.
4 something. So we'll take it.
$4.99 for the two of us.
Let's get her done. All right, here we are. A quick little stop. Grab some Mediterranean cuisine, the good stuff. Right, Tony?
If we haven't crashed at least 50% of the field by the end of the race, we need to extend the race till we at least crash 50% of the cars.
We get chicken because it's good protein.
What we got in here? Alright, so picked up some nuts for up here. We haven't put them on yet. 1, 2, 3. Another one down over there. See if we can get the maybe we get the dash in. It's a possibility.
Oh my god, this car is so sick!
Alright, me and Tony Stewart over here, we got her done. We got the dash in. It's actually looking like a vehicle. So we got the speedometers all plugged in. Cluster's working good. Well, we don't know if it works yet because the car's not running, but hopefully that'll be in the near future. And the dash is in.
The car hasn't ran in the whole freaking pregnancy. Like, it's fucking amazing.
Slowly crossing stuff off the list here. Some of the stuff we picked up from the junkyard today. We got these. And we got. Still need to find the master and the slave. As you can see, it's missing. It's not there. And we need some turbo coolant hoses, which are these guys right here. So that's what's on the list. But we got what we needed to get done today, right, Guy?
I guess, yeah, and I can always just come in and I have more interior pieces all over the over the house, so so flat from running drag slicks, but that's okay.
You still gotta pick up a sway bar?
Yeah, the sway bar is weird because it's how the cross. I'm using a GC8 SDI cross member, right? So it doesn't really link up properly to like a 98 USDM wagon. Gotta find a sway bar that'll bolt in. It's a little tough, like it's really hard to listen to everyone on Facebook because they all say different shit, right? So you're reading all these comments and then you get like a bazillion different opinions. And some people say, oh, the Forester STI sway will work. The GC8 STI one, only a GF8 one will work. It's like, hey, but like, have any of you actually done this? So many people have, like, I don't know. But I definitely wouldn't be where I would be today with this car if it wasn't for Facebook and shit, and scrap yards, and only charging $4 for a bunch of bolts.
A couple more things still on the list. We're getting her done. That's it for today's episode, guys. WhippWizards out of here.